Wilson Auto Repair, working on an old round body Chevrolet truck, trying to make it into a reliable, dependable weekend super special so the customer can have fun riding around in town, hanging his arm out the window, listen to some music, and really enjoy the environment of the headlights and everything that this truck has to offer to make it a lot of fun to drive. So one of the things that we did, we were working on this and we started to drain the oil, and we found a lot of water in the oil, so we pulled the oil pan off and we pulled the valve cover off. These are the valves right here. These move up and down in this direction, open the valves, make the engine run. Here's the carburetor. We put a brand new high energy distributor in it to give it a little bit hotter spark, new spark plug wires, and on the bottom we're going to put the pan back on after we cleaned it up. We're going to paint the valve cover and get it painted and back on. And then we're into the wiring underneath the hood, and I thought you'd get a kick out of this because this is the ignition switch right here with the key. But look at the wiring that's on the back of it, just really a big mess. This one's crimped. This one is the wrong size. They decided they'd cover that up with a bunch of tape, and this one had too big of a wire on it, and it was also soldered up about like this. So you can see this is about halfway soldered. Not sure anything really stuck to it when they put it all together. So we're cleaning all that up, and then under the dash we're also fixing the horn wiring and fixing the wiring going to the relay. At that point we're going to be pretty close to having this truck. We've already had it running once, so we know everything's okay. We'll get it all kind of cleaned up, and I think we're kind of getting to the end of this. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com. Go to my YouTube deal with subscribe and like, and also go to the blog.